Time to say goodbye, bro. Time to end it. Uncle Joman in it, bit. You feel me? You feel me? It's a new day. It's a new play. I got 360 waves under my temp fat, bruh. Before we get into it, it's you feel me, Jomanruntz. And y'all know me, boy. I welcome you to my channel, you feel me? Like I said for the second time, if you were not welcome, you had to get the fuck out. But you welcome, you feel me? You already seen by the title, bro. I'm dying this, bro. But this bitch gotta go, man. This shit, I can't do it no more. Nah, really ain't nothing wrong with it. I was fucking with it, but. So what we gonna do is majority black, and then these strands are gonna stay. Fuck all that talking, let me show y'all the material. You feel me? We got 20 hoes. That shit black. I want my shit to be black. What the fuck? Whole thing aluminum foil in it, bit on my mama. If y'all didn't know I got my wisdom teeth removed, it was bad. I was fat. Bro, just wait till this shit over with, bro. I'm back on demon time, bro. That was me. So first, I'ma separate the pieces of like dreads I want to keep this color and the ones I'ma dye black. So if that made any sense. So like this, look at this ugly ass dookie. Oh my god, this shit gotta go. That shit gotta go, fucking. Some of these hoes like exotic, like. Look at this bit. This bit like faded. I might give y'all a little interlude freestyle session. Beginning of the video, fuck you mean. Beginning of the video, fuck you mean. Eat your green beans. Damn, build a bit like Bob the Builder. I'm a hitter like a Simpson nigga, but I'm not no simper. Run up on me, hit his tail and flash your blinker. Hit him with the 32 and then I slime out all his nigga. I been creeping just to bust up on my trigger. Hit it, connected to it liver. I go down up in that beat, but I swear I never kiss. Flip that beat. Feet that bleed, you go hit your head, my youngin' ass is sweet. Why me reverse that beat? Bruh, that shit took like 2 hours, bruh. Dead ass doing this bullshit, bruh. So we're gonna take some aluminum foil, goddamn, and we're gonna foil up like these ones, goddamn. That's not getting dyed. Cause I'm not going for that. You don't understand our pain. You don't understand. I'm finna have heavily going in my head. I was branching off my chain. I was ranking all them. I guess this what we working with, goddamn. We finna dye all these, like the excess. No, we finna dye that bit black, you feel me? Nigga, this shit is not black. They bit damn Tage. What that bitch sound like? What that bitch sound like? I seen you in my brain and it showed me what it rains. Well, fuck it, I'm a dog. I get it, shit, nigga. I don't need no love. She ain't like fully going. So I went back to the truck. It's the only shit that hit me. I feel like it showed me love. It gave me everything. It gave me all the hugs. It showed me right and wrong, and it got me getting up. I was just a stupid young nigga who fell in love. But I know I look motherfucking crazy. But I'm done. This product really been in my head for a little minute, so it say 30 minutes on there, but I'm gonna just put 15 because I did double back. Back in motion, oh God. Now we finna you feel me, condition it real quick, get up out the shower. You feel me, you feel me, you feel me. I'm looking smooth though. Alright, yeah, okay, I'll be back. Nah though, but nigga finna, oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just oil this. I'm gonna clean up, cause on God I gotta clean up. And then, you feel me, I'm gonna show y'all me two strand twists, and I'm gonna show y'all like after school. I'm gonna show y'all it. I ain't gonna fully dry it, but I'm gonna dry it real quick. So, yeah, fam. Hey, let's talk technical. Okay, you look professional. Don't get on my shirt. It's bro, I'm just trying to go to sleep, bro. But you feel me? This shit way drier and shit. Whatever, you feel me? Doing this thing. But I'm talking about doing this thing. What the fuck? Shit, how the fuck you gotta drink your tea? Get your hurt.
Keep it cool and treat you right. Pour champagne and ice, pour it up and drink it every night. Cause we were eating grapes and drinking wine. I feel for all your exes. You saw
I'm do the rest and then I'm get back, let do it. Feel me. This wasn't done for looks. It wasn't done for nothing. I'm just trying to goddamn go to sleep, you feel me? Oh yeah. I got like a fat ass one in the back on God. Who? This shit got that bit moisturized or whatever. I'm down. Rad this up. I'm gonna take my hat to sleep, man. Yeah. When I wake up, I'll talk to you. Till then, take my hat to sleep, nigga. Next morning, you feel me? Face not washing, then brushing. Then teeth not brushing. Then I might brush my teeth though. But you feel me? But this ain't it. I already knew shit like this was gonna happen, but I bet. So I'ma just, you feel me? Take the hose down, put some oil in it, water and oil, and just, yeah. I wasn't expecting the like crazy result taking these hoes out. Obviously, I didn't get a crazy result.
Glossy shots, I'm moving fast. Feet too, I do the dad. Ain't no water on me.
I'm about to wait there. Keep going on my morning essentials. And I'ma just get back to you. Yeah, bad.
You gon' learn respect my ass.
Bro, so my phone dead ass stopped working at like the wrong moment. I can't even record off the bit, but this how we heading to school. I might switch it, I don't know, I don't really give a fuck. But you feel me. They transforming in this bit. I'ma see if I could record off my phone. That's what I'm trying to do and show y'all like the real deal. So I'm finna try to fix this phone. If I can't, then I just gotta hit y'all when I'm home, but my phone broke, man. Nah though, y'all nigga finna take his ass to school and get the fuck on, you feel me?
Man, what the fuck? GTA, I carry 3, that boy won't no phone me.
It's done. It died. It's black. I'm black. We black. It's really like kind of a dark, like the darkest blue. But now I'm definitely fucking with it, you feel me? If y'all see this shit, like, I rock that bit like this. Like, I had rubber band on that bit. I rock that bit like that. I just keep it pushing. Track off on my left. Shot it pussy. It go in, it gushing. Bitch, I'm pushing P. I'm in a trap hawk. It ain't no pushing B. I just with my flow up in it. Be like an anomaly. Then I run it, bitch. I'm saying as in like a simile. As in like just like a simile that bitch, I'm pressing gas. Don't get ahead of me. Hey, how to be a Jamaican young nigga might be the next video I drop. I don't know. I got this story time, but I don't know if I'm gonna drop it because I got too geek. Ooh, look at this shit, like, ooh. You feel me though? You feel me? Smooth shit, dry face shit, no chop stick, LUH stick, no Vaseline shit. Nah, though, so you feel me? That's why I'm in the goddamn, I got that Jamaican. Got the Jamaican attire, cause nigga, we making how to be a Jamaican young nigga, you feel me? I'm definitely gonna show y'all some pictures of it. It look better than right now, cause I had ski mask on there. Get your hoe like that. Like that. Black hood Joe man, boy. No more playing. No count, no more playing. I'm straight smacking y'all hoe. No more playing. I don't think I'm playing either. You? Come around playing. I'm smacking your hoe. Just like that. Hey though, you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying?